Thank you for watching. Here we are with another Voicemeeter video. For this series, we're talking about how to connect to Zoom. We went over OBS. We went over what Voicemeeter is and how to offset in OBS and how to do scenes and sources. It's a very detailed series where we go over different aspects of Voicemeeter and how to interact with it with different softwares and how to have your physical and virtual inputs interact with Voicemeeter and possibly doing some advanced stuff that we possibly went over with your comments and YouTube community type of outreaching and feedback. So I really appreciate you guys letting me know across all the other videos and what you want and what type of series you want, and we're building everything off of what you guys want at the end of the day for CYB Cyber Connect. So we're going over how to connect to Zoom, and some of the videos we went over is the off syncing and how to use the APIs for your different types of audios. So definitely check out those as well, and we'll get right into it. So you'll need two things: Voicemeeter, or it could be Voicemeeter Banana or Voicemeeter Potato. You basically need Voicemeeter for this type of video, and along with Zoom. These links will be down in the description, and I'll be showing you guys how to download Zoom. Not fully because I already have Zoom, but it's self-explanatory. It's a wizard. Wizard's been around for many years, decades, and if you don't understand how to use a wizard, definitely let me know, and I'll go over how to use a wizard from any type of application. So we'll download the wizard for Zoom, and then a wizard is basically how to organize the type of download you have, and to see if you want installments of any kind, the plugins, if you want updates, if you want to see a newsletter, anything inside of a wizard. I already have Voicemeeter installed. I'm not going to show how to go through that, but let's download Zoom. So typically you will want to download the desktop client. There's plugins here for Outlook and IBM, but I'll just go with the desktop, and then I'll just download it on the I'll download my downloads right here. And then once that's fully downloaded, we want to click on it, and then you just want to follow the instructions, understand what's going on. It'll be downloaded to this location. Just hit run, and then generally it'll try to install. It should witness that I have Zoom already, but I'll uninstall it and right after the video. All right, it actually closed my Zoom. I'm doing this live right here. I'm probably speeding up right here. Right or not? And it closed my Zoom. So right here, install successful, and then reopens my Zoom. Okay, so not a big deal. It looks like it just either overwrites it or puts it somewhere else, and I'll check it out in my programs and installations. So right here, here's Zoom. How you would connect it is basically you going to the settings. If I can knock this out, go to the settings, you go to audio. We're not really doing video really doesn't matter right now. You go to audio, and you'll see speaker and microphone. So here in speaker and microphone, generally you want to see Voicemeeter, and you want to have Voicemeeter input going into your speaker and Voicemeeter output going to your microphone, since the simplest way to say it is you outputting your sound to a different device or anything in general on your computer, and then you're inputting your sound into the speaker. So that's like the most simplest way I can put it. And it will be Voicemeeter input, nothing really else to change, and then Voicemeeter output. And since everything's connected, you see it here going through, and it's picking up my mic. All right, so here after the settings, we're here with the meeting room, and we want to be able to see if our mic is attached, and it is attached right there. So nothing really else to go over. It's a pretty simple video, but a lot of people are looking up things that are somewhat medium to easy. So I wanted to see if I can be of help in this case. So that's how you would connect Voicemeeter. Let's go into some of the aspects of what Voicemeeter is. And also, just to point out, you see it at the bottom right here, I'll zoom in, that the mic is being picked up, and I can mute it and unmute it. So nothing really else to say right there. And we can really change how we input and output, since I love how Voicemeeter is, and you can interact with it in so many ways, to where you're changing your input and your output, you're customizing it, you're doing the compression, you're doing the noise gate, you're doing the telepan, you're doing everything you want to do that you will want in your audio and within your audio interface. And I did a video on that. This previous video is in a series, and definitely check it out. We can do anything we want to our software that is going linked to our Zoom. So let's say if I want to now use another microphone, and let me open up Voice Mod I have a video on voice model, will be linked on this video.
Right? Something popped up on Zoom, so doing this kind of live. I'll put this on my other monitor. Let's move this. Let's see what happens. Yeah, fail to. Okay, so we're getting something live. I have this fail to detect your microphone. Please make sure your microphone properly. Device. Yeah, everything's there. It just when I open up another input. So this is a physical. No, this is a virtual input that I put in a hardware input for my voicemail. But something popped up with Zoom, so that's rare. I haven't seen that. That's actually live right there. But it's still being picked up. I'm still being heard. It's just that it had to reconfigure. So how voice mod works, it picks up your mic. I'll show you a little bit of voice mod, but generally it's more explained in another video. It picks up your mic that you're using. So you want to directly use your hardware microphone right into voice, right? So that's the gist of it. And it's picking up my voice, and you see how the track has been going on for around 2 minutes now. Nearly 2 minutes. And I can change it. I can go to
2x1.
baby. Android.
Hey, so you really customize what you want and like how you want it. A little bit inside of voice mod, but definitely. So, not too much to go over. I just want to show you guys that different aspect of voice mod and different aspects of Voicemeeter and being able to customize anything within Voicemeeter and output it to different software. So that's the case. That's the more technical side that I covered the basic, how to connect it, how to download it, and yeah, that's really it. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. If you think I missed anything at all, definitely let me know down in the description or in the community, and I'll definitely tackle that particular problem or that one thing I missed. Thank you for watching, and more videos are coming out. We are looking at Alkebu-Lan and a few others that I don't want to give away yet, but it's definitely coming out to a theater near you, to a YouTube TV near you. So I really am happy to show you guys a lot of what software is, hardware, especially a lot of the currency as well on CyberConnect. So that's a separate topic on CyberConnect, but this is for a CyberConnect community that I'm building. So overall, thank you so much for watching, guys. More videos are coming your way. Weekly videos are always on the dot. Appreciate you guys being here. Take care and peace out.